Hi guys, good morning. Meron na naman tayong cash stuffing na video. This time, we're going to add to our savings challenges. So, for this week, may nakuha kong 200. Finally. So a total of 800 pesos will be stuffed for our emergency funds. Kamusta yung pag-save natin sa emergency fund, guys? Sa akin, almost 50% na ng first ko na goal. So, bale, di ba sabi nila, meron ka dapat at least 1 month worth ng salary mo. So, sa akin, medyo niliitan ko lang ng konti than may salary yung goal ko. Kasi part ng naipon ko for the emergency funds, nilalaan ko para i-down ko for a car. Kasi kailangan ko po talaga ng sasakyan to go about my day. Kasi yung work ko requires me na maglipat-lipat ng office or location. So, yun. Medyo mabagal, no? Pero yung aim ko na lang is at least makapagpasok ako ng 5K per month. And so far, okay naman. Except nung last month ba yun? Kasi, or Feb, kasi part ng emergency fund ko, binigay ko sa niece ko for her graduation and sa isang tao na nangangailangan for their parents' hospitalization. So, ayun, naka 200 na ako ulit, guys. So, 3,000 pesos na since September last year. So, ito lang muna for our savings challenges. Hopefully, this is not the last for this month. And meron pa tayong makikitang 200 and other smooth na denominations. So, ito lang muna. See you in the next video. Bye!